Hi, welcome to Ingage. Let's take a look at how to get Ingage installed on your Windows PC. Visit ingage.io/download to get a copy of the installer if you don't already have it. After the file downloads, open a File Explorer window from your taskbar, and on the left-hand column, choose Downloads. Then, double-click the file called Presentations. Now, open Ingage Desktop Setup. This will install the Ingage app on your computer and create a shortcut for it on your desktop. This could take a few minutes depending on the speed of your computer. When the setup finishes, Ingage will automatically open and you can sign in with your Ingage account. To keep Ingage handy for later, right-click it in the taskbar and choose Pin. Now, clean up the installer by heading back to your Downloads folder, right-clicking on Presentations and choosing Delete. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the rest of our videos to help you get started with Ingage.